Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. This project is 555 Audible continuity tester. As you can see, this project made by PCB breadboard type, like that. It is very easy to use this kind of project board PCBs. The project is not only Audible continuity tester because of the sound for the different kind of resistors are completely different. For example, the 50 mega ohm resistor sound is different with 1 mega ohm and is different with 100k. The reason that we use this project is when we have several resistors to test, we will connect the leads to the project. As you can see, when the leads gonna be looped, we have sound exactly over there. For example, I'm going to test with 15 ohm resistor, 15 mega ohm, this one. As you can see, it is blinking sound. I'm going to test with this one. It is also different with 100k. It's like bell. And finally I'm testing with 10k. You can see it is different exactly. I add one pot over there to adjust the level of sound, and also the schematic is taken from this book. The name is 555 timer application source book with experiments, made by Howard Berlin, and exactly this one is the schematic if you are going to make this project. For example, if I need to test all resistors of this PCB board, it is very hard to test with the multimeter because of after each connection you should look at the meter and check the amount of the resistors. But with the sound, in few minutes you will learn exactly which sound is for what resistor, and it will help to find the damaged or disconnected resistor very fast. Thanks for watching this project, and goodbye.